Good morning, my dear dedicated learners. Hope you all are doing great. Today I describe this picture. This picture shows a peaceful sunrise, calm water, and blooming flowers. Perfect for positive and motivational idioms like every cloud has a silver lining. A new sunrise brings new hope. And we can say a fresh start is just around the corner. Good morning, new opportunities await. Thirdly, we can say rise and shine. It's time to brighten the world with your smile. Thank you for listening and watching. Follow for more.